What you need to know to become successful in the affiliate marketing field. You need to have some knowledge of what to look for and expect from an affiliate marketing strategy. You need to know what resources are available to you and where you can get answers to what you need for your business. The tips below can help you with how to start. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. Before entering an affiliate marketing arrangement, you should test drive your would-be affiliate's product if at all possible. Being familiar with your advertiser's products will enable you to answer any questions that might come from the visitors you send to your affiliate sites. Also, having first-hand experience will help you evaluate the true value that your affiliates are providing to your customers. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, discover the type of tracking software a company uses before you join their affiliate program. If the program does not track all of your sales, then you will not receive credit for all of the viewers that you refer to their company. Many affiliate marketers overdo it. They end up squashing their efforts too thin, with an overload of products and promotions that end up being much less than effective in the highly competitive affiliate market. There is no limit on results. The right affiliate program offers unlimited opportunity. Test the products that you plan to market prior to recommending them to customers. Make sure that you are recommending a product that is high quality and comes from a company with a customer service team that is great and will back up their merchandise. Repeat customers are more likely when you sell something that is great. As you have seen in the above tips, there is a lot of knowledge you can acquire before choosing an affiliate program that will work for you and before creating your own affiliate marketing strategy. Do everything you must to find out what marketing program and strategy is best for your needs. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.